Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I am going to do a series of short videos from the linear functions packet, and I'm just going to do a few examples of each kind of question to try to help you out if you're getting stuck. This one is from page 2. It's the tables. It actually says proportional relationships, but I don't really care about proportional relationships. What I'm more interested in is this a linear function? And if so, what's the slope? And if it's easy to do to find the y-intercept. So I'm going to do a couple examples or a couple problems here and show you kind of what I mean. All right, so first one, I'm going to look at number 1. So we're trying to find out if this is a linear function. First thing you should do is you're always going to be subtracting. Whether you realize it or not, we're subtracting. So I'm going to start with the x's. This is the x column right here. And this is the y column. So going from 1 to 2, or 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. So it's easy to tell that this is going up by 1. Now we're going to go over to the y column, y part of the table, and we're going to do the same thing. If you can look at it and you can see that this is going up by 250, or another way to do it is just subtract. 500 minus 250 is 250. 750 minus 500 is 250. 1,000 minus 750 is 250. And 1,250 minus 1,000 is also 250. So this table, the y values are going up by 250. So as soon as you see that everything, the x's are going up by the same amount and the y's are going up by the same amount, you know that this is a linear function. Now, to find the slope, you just take the change in the y over the change in x. So it's going to be 250 over plus 1. So the slope is 250. Now, another thing, if it's easy to do, is if you find the y-intercept, once you know the y-intercept, you could come up with the equation for this linear function. So, and the key thing that you're looking for the y-intercept is you need to know when x is 0, what's the y going to be? So to get to 0, all I have to do is just go back 1, right? So if I subtract 1 from this one, I get 0. And the same thing, to go back, I would subtract 250, and that would give me 0 here. So the y-intercept is 0. So what that means is that this is a proportional relationship, but more importantly, if we were writing the equation, we would just say y equals 250x. Since the y-intercept is 0, we don't need to do anything. Okay, boom, done. All right, so now I'm going to look at table number 4. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is what we did before. So the difference between 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3, 11 minus 8 is 3. So you can see that the x values are going up by 3, and the y values, let's see, 30 minus 12 is 18. 48 minus 30 is also 18. 66 minus 48 is 18. So the y values are going up by 18. So the slope of this linear function, now we know it's linear because it's going up by the same amount on the x's and y's. So it is a linear function, and the slope would be the change in the y over the change in the x. So that would be 18 over plus 3, which is 6. So the slope is 6. Now, if we were trying to find the the y-intercept, this one is not so easy to do. It's not easy to do, but it is possible. I'm actually going to leave that. I'm just going to leave it. For now, all I need you to do is be able to find the slope, and the slope is 6. All right, we're done. One more thing before I leave. Now, if you're struggling with this, you can always go to your spreadsheet and use this. Go from your home page to this and, put your X and Y in here, enter your X's, enter your Y's, and then, figure out what the equation is. The calculator will give you not only the slope, it'll give you the entire equation. So it can be very useful. But I would prefer that we just use our head and be able to calculate the slope. All right, that's it for this. All right, I am going to sign off for now. All right, bye guys.